Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about JONSBO C6 Handle Black Mini Tower PC case. So friend, JONSBO C6 Handle Black, a compact mini tower PC case featuring a 4-sided two-lace mesh panel design and an integrated carrying handle for enhanced portability. Scheduled for release in Japan, the product will be available 21st February with an estimated selling price is approximately $52 and brand. The PC case supports MicroATX and Mini-ITX form factor and it includes 3.5-inch drive bay and two 2.5-inch drive bays and provisions for cooling fans at the front 120 mm, top 120 or 140 mm and bottom 120 or 140 mm positions. The design accommodates up to 4 expansion slot graphics card ranging from 200 mm to 255 mm in length, CPU coolers up to 75 mm in height, and power supply units with the maximum depth of 185 mm. Connectivity option comprise one USB Type-C port, one USB 3.0 port, and one audio terminal. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.